6 ways to tackle snoring. Have you ever had a long day and wanted a good night's sleep, but your partner couldn't stop snoring the whole night? In this video, we will share with you 6 ideas on how to tackle snoring, for you to sleep better, and get up feeling well rested and energized. 1. Shed a few pounds. People who are overweight are generally more likely to snore than those who are not. The reason being that the additional fat around the neck can cause the airway to be narrower and therefore cause snoring. The solution to this is to lose weight if possible. Incorporate regular exercise into your life, switch up your diet and maintain an active lifestyle. 2. Change your sleep position. Sleeping on your back makes the base of your tongue fall back to the back of your throat, blocking the airway. The solution to this is to sleep on your side. It may help to prevent snoring, which is caused by the blocked airway. 3. Drop the booze and cigarettes. Try to stop drinking alcohol around 5 hours before going to bed. Alcohol relaxes the throat muscles, which makes you more likely to snore. Smoking can also irritate the throat tissues, which might lead to inflammation and snoring. 4. Drink water. It is essential to stay hydrated. You've probably heard that over 60% of our body is made up of water. Dehydration leads to mucus forming in the nose, narrowing the airway, which could lead to snoring. 5. Open nasal passages. If snoring happens in your nose, keeping nasal passages open could help alleviate the problem. Nasal strips may help to lift nasal passages and open them up. A hot shower before bed could also help your body to cool down and relax, which could improve the quality of sleep. 6. Change your pillows. Allergens in your bedroom and in your pillow might be the cause of the problem. When was the last time you replaced your pillows? Dust mites accumulate in pillows and they can cause allergic reactions that lead to snoring. Try to replace your pillows every 6 months to keep dust mites and allergens away. Also, allowing pets to sleep on the bed can make you breathe in animal dander, which might trigger an allergic reaction. Try to keep pets out of the bedroom if snoring is an issue for you, as difficult as that may be. Hopefully this video has given you some new ideas to tackle snoring. Thanks for watching. Please follow us on Instagram at random_life. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy the content. We upload twice a week. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share the video. If you have any videos that you would like to see, please leave it in the comments below.